10 seconds ago? Thanks for telling me. Doc.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, Your Airness, but if you don't find a fifth player, your team will forfeit the game.
Forfeit?
Precisely, Sir Altitude.
No way. We'll find someone.
Dun, 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 dun!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I didn't know Dan Aykroyd was in this picture.
Hey! Perhaps I could be of some assistance.
That's our fifth guy. Now you get to live up your dream. Let's go.
All right.
All right. Need to score 2 points.
Here's how I see it. Duck.
Yes.
You kick it into the girl bunny.
Yeah.
Down in the post. You dish it back out to the guy bunny.
Got
You
it.
swing it around the mic over here. You go to the hole and dominate.
We on defense.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! I don't play defense.
Typical.
All right, you're gonna have to listen to Mike on this, guys.
Okay.
Listen up.
Somebody steal the ball, get it to me, and I score before the time runs out.
Don't lose that confidence. Okay, paws and wings in here. All right.
This is why I was born. I thrive on pressure.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Yo, easy on the trousers, Dave. Easy, man.
Pardon me. Mr. Murray, something's really been bugging me.
Yeah?
Just how did you get here, anyway?
Producer's a friend of mine. Just had a teamster come and drop me off.
Uh-huh. Well, that's how it goes.
Hey, you see this kind of chunky fellow over here?
Uh-huh. Oh, that's good. Oh, yes.
All right, let's do it. You the duck.
Now, let's all play fair.
Here. Yo, spaceman, don't choke now. Come on, come on, come on.
It's gut check time.
This must be mine. This belongs to me. I'm going this way, I'm going left, I'm going left. Whoa! Don't ever touch your leg.
Come on. I'm open. I'm open.
It's mine.
Today.
Hey! Bring it on, dude.
Daisy.
They're mine.
Mike, I'm open. Never mind.
Pass, man.
That was a great stretch for the basket, too.
You know, you really got some skills. You might be able to play in the NBA.
Thanks, Mike. I'll probably quote you on that. But I'm going to take this opportunity to retire from the game of basketball.
No, come on.
No, I'm going to retire right now, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to go out on top undefeated and untied. That's the way it's going to be. You go on ahead and celebrate with your teammates. And
No, come and help us, man. Celebrate with us.
I'd like to, but I have to ice down my knees right away, okay? Okay, starting to go.
All right, goodbye, man.
All right, see you.
Are you sure?
Yes, definitely sure. Definitely.